Hey guys, this is Anand Kothari from Tech Clinic, and today I'm going to show you some amazing features of Windows which you should definitely know about. So keep watching this video, and if you like this, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Let's go. Alright, so the first feature I will show you is the secret start menu. It's not exactly a secret start menu feature, but I call it the secret start menu feature because many people don't know about it yet. So if you go ahead and right click on the start menu, you'll see this applications. It's kind of shortcut for those applications. So basically you can open the command prompt for admin and also for normal command prompt and the network connections and various other things you can do over here. So it's kind of handy, it's kind of easy. I use that a lot, so maybe if you get used to it, you'll use it a lot as well. Alright, so the next inbuilt feature we have is certainly my favorite, which is called the Snipping Tool, and it's basically used to take screenshots of your screen. If you already know about it, amazing. If you don't know about it, you're probably gonna like it as well. So let's see how it's done. To start with it, you just have to go in your search bar, type Snipping Tool, and it should be the first option. So there are various options you can select from, the various modes you can say. Freeform, rectangular, window snip, or you can also take a full screen snippet. The default one is the rectangular snippet, and to take a snippet, just click on the new button, select the area you want to snip, and you can also write over it. So AK, yes, I'm pretty pro at it, and you can save it as you like it. So that's the easy one. Pretty convenient, right? So another application I'm going to talk about is the sticky notes, which is very easy to use, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. Basically you can start that application by typing it on your start menu, and it looks something like this. So you can type your notes in there, and you can also select the notes list and activate the enable insights after clicking the gear icon over here. So once you do that, if you add any notes like meeting tomorrow, it will suggest you to add a reminder over it. So how it works is Kothari just reads your content in there and it suggests you some actions you can do over it. So that's pretty neat, I would say, and it's pretty helpful as well. Alright, so another simple one I have is the Windows Remote Assistance, and basically this could be used for various purposes. Most commonly it's used to troubleshoot others' problems, so you can get assistance or give assistance to someone by taking over their cursor and help them troubleshooting any problem they have on their Windows PC or laptop. So let me show you how it's done. Alright, to start with it, go to your start search bar and type Remote Assistance. It should be the option saying invite someone to connect to your PC and help you, and it will give you two options whether you can invite someone or you can help someone by connecting to their PC. If you click on invite someone, you can either invite them using an email address or you can connect them using several other options you have. So this is pretty handy tool to get help from someone or maybe help someone troubleshooting any issues on their device. You might have a scenario where you have your work project going on and also you have your video going on the other side, and you just don't want to close the video and work on your project and focus on your project at the same time. So here's how you can do it. You can use multiple desktops, and that is one of my favorite feature on Windows. So basically you can switch between your work stuff and your personal stuff at the same time in milliseconds. So here's how you do it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have several applications going on this desktop. I have my YouTube, I have my video editor, and also my OBS studio running at the back end. Basically, if I want to open Spotify, I will just switch to the desktop and open my Spotify over here. So now you can see I do not have any other applications open. I just have my Spotify, and if I want to switch between them, I can just use my Control, Windows, and arrow keys, or you can also click at the task view button at the bottom and switch between those desktops. So this is the task view button is also used to create a new desktop by clicking on the add sign over here, or you can just drag a specific application to a new desktop so that that application is already there when you open it. You can close a specific desktop using this shortcut Control, Windows, and F4. You can switch between them as I mentioned, Control, Windows, and arrow keys, or you can start a new desktop by the shortcut Control, Windows, and D. Alright, so these were the 5 features I had for you for today, and if you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like these, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, so till then, bye bye.